Hi. Have you always wanted to equip yourself with digital skills in high demand and you're finding it challenging? Bizmaro Technologies is offering you a partially funded scholarship on the following courses: data analysis, where you get to learn introduction to data analysis using Excel, data analysis using Microsoft Power BI, and visualizing data in infographics using CorelDRAW or Canva. Another partially funded scholarship Bizmaro Technologies is offering you today is a front-end web design and development and also UI/UX design. In this scholarship, you get to learn everything on the front-end website design and development, which includes the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Another partially funded scholarship Bizmaro Technologies is offering you is a scholarship on digital skills. These digital skills you get to learn website design using WordPress, digital marketing SEO, graphics design using Canva, digital footprint analysis, digital product secrets, ebook creation, and a whole lot more. You want to equip yourself with digital skills in high demand and you do not know how to go about it? Get started by visiting our website to learn more and apply today. This partially funded scholarship is a scholarship you should not miss. Bye.